Hello. Okay, what's your name?
Name.
My name
Name.
is Toy. How are you today, Toy?
I'm 50.
I'm happy. How old are you?
I'm 50.
Okay, very good. Now look at this picture. They are at the beach. The boy is fishing. Toy. What is the boy doing? You say? Swim. Very good.
Swim.
Can you run? Yes or no?
Swim.
Can you run, Toy? Yes or no?
Swim.
Yes or no? Yes. All right. Now, how many fish? How many fish?
Cat.
You say 2 fish.
2 feet.
Okay. Are there 5 boys in the picture? Yes or no?
No.
No. Good. What is this?
Elephant.
And what word is? What word that starts with the letter F?
Food.
Good job. What can a kangaroo do?
Crocodile.
Jump.
Rum.
Jump. Okay. How? What are they? You say insects.
Is a
How many insects are there? How many insects? How many insects?
swim.
Okay, 3. Now, do you have sister? Yes or no? Yes or no, Koi? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Now, can you show me where is the banana? Banana. No, it's not a banana. This one. Say banana.
Banana.
Okay, how many apples are there? You count, Koi? 1,
1,
2.
2.
How many apples? 2.
2.
Okay, very good. What is the boy doing? What's the boy doing? You say?
Chicken.
Eating. Alright.
Eating.
Alright. Now, at this point, my dear, are there 4 cakes in the picture? Yes or no?
Yes.
You say no.
No.
Okay, how does she feel? You say?
Happy.
Happy. What food do you like, Koi? I like? I like?
Apple.
Apple. Alright. How many orange do you see?
1.
Okay.